She is go time. Round 2. Woo! The hill's not too steep. You can make it. How's it going there, Snowy? Every time I look over, you're upside down. Jumping off trees. Nice. Who's next?
Not me. I'll try out the 850 in a sec here. I'm like, why would he say A2 on the 850 is kind of feeling a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah?
Today. Yeah. I like it.
Stretching out the old ovaries.
Yeah.
I want to see some jumps. Jumping time. Hey, your clip's undone.
I don't think she does up anymore.
Yeah. The old turbo, no problem. Woo! Not bad, not bad. Next up. Definitely film this one. Oh, yeah. There might be a yard sale at the bottom. These are always good. Got some free sled parts at the bottom. Those goggles. Hey-o! That was pretty close to the tree. All right, now what? I think we should go find some jumps.
Let's get a jump. So, get a little bit of air.
So the girls can hit it here. This time. You're all stretched out now. Got no gas left. Let's go jumping.
You're out of gas, Jared.
Okay. Hey, he's just trying to lose weight so he jumps higher. This is how we do it. Almost made it. Almost. Uh-oh!
Get out of the way, bud!
Oh.
Yeah, buddy!
You said it would happen, it happened. Because it can and it probably will, eh?
Don't draw that.
Not too bad. Little tail whip there. Good thing we're parked right here,
yeah,
right?
There you go.
You know, let's just go right in the way.
Here we got another one lining up, maybe.
He's thinking about that rock. He's trying to get on that drop.
Oh, like that rock?
Yeah.
He's going.
It's beauty drop, but
Yeah, keep her PG.
Yeah, PG.
Someone's kids are watching. Is he doing it? Really make it. Nope. That could be a little hard one to get to. Turn around, everyone's just rolling down hills. One there. Yeah. Spare parts coming down the hill.
Yeah, dude.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah! Oh, he's probably out of breath. Just how it was planned.
Yeah.
How was that?
Woo! I was that for sure.
Just wanted to do some roll
Snow, you
some
can just
stuff.
climb anywhere with. So. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Out of breath. All right. Game time. He's alive! Tree's got up.
Jump back on.
That hill's just claiming everyone, eh? Get the cameras out. Oh, here's another one. Oh! There's a rock. Jeez, is that a rock or a tree?
Big rock.
Wow.
Fucking rock and a half.
Holy.
All right.
New plan.
New hill.
Dodger, yeah, let's get out of here. Wow, that was sick. Absolutely insane. Crazy. Is he good? Next up. Saved it. Non-stop. Oh. Runaway sled. Yeah. Off the sled again. Oh, grab it! Man down everywhere. No wonder you got all the camera gear, eh? Yeah. There's endless opportunities up here. There's just people wiping out everywhere. I'm just amazed at watching this. Uh-oh. Good? Sick. Oh!
Hey Kyle! Come this way, towards us!
So sick.
I thought that was steeper. I was like, I'm not landing up here.
Wild. Every time. Still sweet though. That was sick. This line just returns to its rightful home every time. Boys and play.
Jesus, that's loud.
Lost the group again, but now we're doing cliff jumps. Get the camera out. What are you gonna do here? GoPro out. That's sick. Just a quick half-second scope and go. Rip it and rip it. Such a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Bent the bars, eh?
Yeah.
Jeez.
What's that?
You bought?
No, just put him down. I was like rolling into him like, oh, I'm not going straight. This is a lot flatter than I thought.
Oh, is it flat?
It was pretty flat.
Yeah. Did you get the shot?
Yeah, not bad. They should have stayed more zoomed out. But,
Okay.
yeah, for sure, I like it.
Oh yeah, I got that video on my phone.
Woo!
His ass over to each other. Fucking
It's like a highway to him, eh? Wide open.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Hey, what's going on up there?
Big deal. Oh yeah.
Is that a sled in the tree?
We're going logging, boys. What are you doing, Travis?
Yeah, she's pretty steep here. Awesome day.
Fuck yeah.
Did you have a good day, guys? Everyone did you have a good day?
Awesome, buddy.
Oh, it sucked.
You look like you had the worst day. I heard you crying the whole time on the radio.
Good day, boys.
All right, we'll wrap this up. Over and out.